How to use SmartThings for productivity. Using SmartThings, you can boost your productivity when you work from home. You can improve your focus in your home office. With SmartThings, you can create the perfect remote working environment that allows you to focus on your work. When it is time to work, use SmartThings to instantly view your work schedule and switch your air purifier and air conditioner to the wind-free mode. It is like traveling to work in a single minute. You can use mode and routines to switch both the air purifier and air conditioner to wind-free mode. Similarly, you can also prepare lunch instantly. Preparing lunch is one of the most cumbersome things to do while working from home. It is not easy to find time it takes to make lunch, especially on your busiest days. Now, simply send your lunch recipe to your Samsung cooker via SmartThings and put in a meal kit. A delicious lunch will be ready for you in an instant. Similarly, you can also streamline your workflow with SmartThings. Effortlessly control your appliances and personal devices from your Windows PC with SmartThings. Misplaced your handphone or tablet? Use your PC to make it ring so you can find it easily. Is someone at the door? Use SmartThings on your PC to find out who it is. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.